Hello everyone, welcome to GCSE Geography for Year 9 Pathways evening. I'm going to be talking through the GCSE in the next few slides with you. Just as a note, we do use the AQA exam board, so there is more information on the website if you do wish to look into it further. So studying geography at GCSE. Geography allows students to develop their knowledge and understanding of the world as it is at the moment, whilst also looking to what the future could hold for our planet through human and physical processes. I'll also add here that it looks at the interconnectedness of human life with the physical environment also. It also develops a lot of key transferable skills. So for example, it gives the ability for students to convey their opinion or argument, whether that be in writing and verbally, and also within groups. It helps to interpret and extrapolate data, which is a key skill, quite commonly needed in many different jobs in the future, as well as understanding and explaining the views of others, and developing problem solving and analytical skills by addressing current issues. In terms of what you would study geography in year 10 and 11, we can see it as being split into three different parts, and there is interconnectedness again between the three. So we study natural hazards, so those are earthquakes, tropical storms, and the issue of climate change. You also look at how the UK has been shaped by processes and what we can do to protect our lives through the studies of coasts and rivers and how they can have an impact on human life. As well as that, we look at the relationships between animals, plants, and humans with the physical environment by focusing on ecosystems, and the ecosystems we study are tropical rainforests and hot deserts. Through human geography, we study urban places around the world, and we look at the different issues caused by cities expanding and the differences between countries of different levels of economic development. We also look at development itself in terms of how the UK economy became one of the strongest in the world, as well as what the future holds, and also looking at countries that are emerging in terms of their economies that are becoming stronger. What issues are they facing, and what benefits are we starting to see for those nations? As well as that, we look at the threat to our water supply through our resources. We also conduct 2 field trips to see geography in action. So we study the coastline of Norfolk. So there is, geography is one thing studying it in the classroom, is also seeing it in action there, as well as regeneration in Nottingham. So how will this look when you're assessed? The GCSE is assessed in 3 papers. Paper 1 is focusing on the physical geography, so those are the natural hazards, UK landscapes, and the living world. This is 35% of the GCSE grade, the final grade that is. Paper 2 looks at urban issues and challenges, the changing economic world, and resource management. This is also 35% of the final grade at GCSE. So both papers 1 and 2 are equally weighted. Additionally, paper 3 looks bringing geographical skills to the forefront. So this will be the fieldwork that we conduct will link into paper 3, as well as a resource booklet, which is a booklet which is a pre-release. It comes to us 8 weeks before the exam, has information in it that we then interpret in class, and students will answer questions around it with access to the resource booklet for paper 3. And this paper is 30% of the final GCSE grade. Thinking about geography and how it can fit into plans, geography can open doors to many opportunities in the world when it comes to the job market. So there is a focus on geographically focused jobs such as climate scientists and meteorology and town planning and diplomacy, and there's also links to many geography graduates and people that have studied geography can use those skills that will help them in local government, education, finance and banking, in travel, and also in transport. So many employers as well prize the knowledge and transferable skills that geography can provide, and you can find geographers like mentioned in those aforementioned jobs there, working in a wide range of fields. So for any further questions about our GCSE, you can contact your geography teacher. So it depends on who you have. Feel free to ask any questions or find us in the school day when we're back at school. Or if you wish, you can send me an email, which my email address is there for you to contact. And yeah, have a good evening.